Did you know? Birds in V formation serve crucial roles during migration. Firstly, it enhances energy efficiency by reducing air resistance, with the lead bird creating an uplift to aid followers and conserve energy on long flights. This formation facilitates communication through vocalizations and visual cues, enabling quick adjustments to environmental changes. It also assists navigation during migrations, providing a sense of direction. Flying together strengthens social bonding, fostering cooperation and unity. It also improves safety and defense, making it challenging for predators to target individual birds. Finally, birds alternate leading, sharing the effort of navigating through the air.